Peace and Black Power, everybody. I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where all we talk about is this intangible cryptocurrency. With that being said, I'm not going to hold y'all long. We're going to jump right in it. So let me share my screen and we're going to get it on, family. And remember, like the video, subscribe to Max Crypto News. That's my Facebook business page. Leave a comment, share the video, let people know what's been going on Max Crypto News so they can become a part of what's going on, right? All right, so like always, we come straight to the we're gonna come straight to coin market cap and we're gonna check out what's going on with the cryptocurrencies this morning. So we see Bitcoin around $11,780. It's down some. It's doing a correction, but that's what you want with Bitcoin. You actually want it to correct. You don't want it to just keep going up without having dips and corrections, because this is when you want to get in, is when the dips. You got Ethereum at $408. It's consolidating also $1.20. It's down 1.28 percent. You got XRP at 28 cents. It's doing a consolidation also. It's dipping. The last 2 days has been red. You got Chainlink at $16.49. It's up 22%. You can expect Chainlink to start back making this move because it's already had this consolidation. Litecoin is down. You really got a red day with the cryptocurrency market altogether. It's mostly red. Most of the coins are down. Stellar is down. Monroe is moving a little bit up. You got IOTA that is going up. It had already consolidated, so it's starting to make that move back forward. But I wanted to talk about a coin, Algorand. I told y'all about Algorand a couple days ago, at least last week. I made a video. I said, did you get your Algorand? I was asking, did you get it? Algorand is up 18%, family. It consolidated last week. It dropped down to like around 50, 60 cents, but now it's starting to make that move back up. So I hope y'all got y'all Algorand, because you can expect this coin to get up to $2 to $3 within the coming months. Coming weeks. I expect it to be a fast mover. It's going to move very fast, right? Again, this is not financial advice. Let me make that clear. This is a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is just stuff that I do and stuff that I'm talking about and stuff that I'm telling you, things that I have done and things that I'm purchasing, right? So now what I want to do, we're going to check out the Bitcoin chart real fast. So I'm going to talk about this chart a little bit. Again, if you go to Max Crypto News and subscribe, you can get this information all day, every day. Also, if you go to Anointed Hands on Faith business page and become a paid subscriber where you pay the $4.99 a month, I break down different altcoins and the trajectory, and also I do the research for you and let you know what the altcoins is about. So for that $4.99 a month, you can easily turn that money 5 to 6 times just taking some of this advice and applying it. Real easy, real simple, right? So look, all right, this is the Bitcoin chart now. Now you can see that Bitcoin kept hitting resistance around 12,000, right? This is a 1 month chart, right? So you see Bitcoin, every time it would get to 12,000, it would dip down. It would hit the resistance, then it would drop, and then it would consolidate, work its way back up to 12,000. The second time it hit 12,000, it dipped again. You see it consolidate and it come back down. All right, a couple of days ago, it went past 12,000 and got up to $1,200 and $400, $12,400. And what you see is once it reached that peak, it's starting to dip back down. Now, so what you want to see a lot of people see the dips and they get scared. Don't get scared, because you need that consolidation. You want it to consolidate back down like it's been doing and then start back coming back up. Now, when I pull up my, well, I might need to go to, let me see, my 6 month chart. I might have to do the 1 year one. Okay, it took it off. But we have another resistance. We have another resistance that's coming up around 13,000. All right, I'll do it this way. All right, we got another resistance line that we can expect is around here, right? All right, so basically around $13,200, you can expect Bitcoin to hit another resistance. So once it does this consolidation that it's doing, what I did, I took y'all out into the 5-year chart. So, right, makes it a little bit easier. So, but once you can see the exponential moving average for the 20-day moving average, and you can see how it's moving. But so right now we still above this is the 200-day moving average. I'm sorry, we still above our 200-day moving average. But we can expect when Bitcoin, after it consolidates, because it's going to consolidate, the next test is going to be around $13,200. That's our next test line that you can expect on Bitcoin to test to see if it's going to go above that. That's the next line where it's going to hit resistance, right? Then we got the next one will be right here. All right. Then the next resistance line, I should change the color, but I'm not. The next resistance line is going to be around $13,800, around that range. That's our next resistance. These are the two next resistance that we have coming up with Bitcoin. So you can expect after consolidate Bitcoin to go up to test this $13,200 line. Now I'm betting the first time it touch it, it's going to dip down. It's going to hit resistance. It's going to dip back down. But I think the second time it touch it, it's going to go above it. So we can project and see where Bitcoin is going. You can also, but see, we already passed that. So that's why I wouldn't even use that one, right? And then you can look at the RSI, and you can see the RSI and how it's moving along with the volume that's going on with Bitcoin right now. See, when it consolidated, yes, let me get back to the 5-day chart, right? Let me get back. Yeah, I'll stay here. So you can see once it got up to the 20, the 12 over the 12,000 mark, you can see what started to happen. It's been consolidating. It's dipping, right? Now it went under this. We didn't want it to get under a certain point. Like we didn't want it. This is the now we got to worry about it testing this resistance again. It's another resistance line right here that we don't want. We don't want Bitcoin to go under this. Right here, $11,625. You don't want Bitcoin to go below this resistance line no more because it touched it and it bounced, right? It came back, it almost touched it again, but it bounced before it touched it. This is where we don't want it to see to go under. We don't want it to go under that because that may be a sign that I already know what's going on. When you see these big dips like this, people are selling, people are taking profit. You got people that brought Bitcoin $6,000, $5,000 brought in, and they doubling up. So they taking their profit. So they selling. Now a lot of times when you have big whales that are sell, the price would dip, but the overall it's gonna start back moving. And see, I think we already made that turn. You go to the 1-day chart. You can see, yeah, you can see we already made that turn wherein we're going to go over. You got the 20-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, where they have already changed and passed each other. And now you see the 20-day moving average that's steadily going up. So you can expect Bitcoin to move. Again, this is not financial advice. If you want more in-depth breakdown of the altcoins, because I break them down in depth, I do the research for you, and I can break the charts down for you. Look, subscribe, go to Anointed Hands Facebook business page. It's called Anointed Hands. And if you pay that $4.99 a month, you will get information that I promise you will change your life, family. With that being said, I thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this quick episode of Max Crypto News. Oh, hold up, one more thing. I almost forgot. Let me show y'all what's going on in the news. So I almost forgot that. I came too fast. Let me exit out. Let me get out of here. All right. The crypto news, family. I wanted to show y'all what's going on in the news with crypto. So you can see they talking about the price analyst. The price drops for the DeFi and the Ethereum fees. Ethereum fees are real high. If you do any transactions on the Ethereum network, their fees are real high. So you're paying a lot for their fees, family. So a lot of people will eventually move to Tron. The Tron is based on this, like similar on the same network, got the same program, doing everything, and Tron waived the fees, right? So that's one thing that's going on. The fees are real high. Other than that, man, that's it. But I thank y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News, man. Look forward to more information. Subscribe to Max Crypto News. If you want to get in-depth information, go to Anointed Hands and become a paid subscriber. Pay that $4.99 a month. You will get information to help you dealing with the cryptocurrency market. With that being said, man, peace, man, and y'all enjoy y'all day.